Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Have you ever made a one layer cake and you want it to be two? All right, for instance, like a Boston cream pie. It's one layer, but you want to split that layer. So I have a very easy tip for you. Dental floss is not just for the teeth anymore. So you're going to take a nice piece of dental floss, okay? And watch what I'm doing. You're going to put it midway through. So halfway, all around the cake, and I'm going to bring this over here so you can see what I'm doing. All right, you might want to follow me. It just ripped off, which is good. To rip a piece off, I'm going to put it in the center, okay? Some people use toothpicks to hold it up, but you don't need to. And you're just going to, as if you're tying a shoe, you're just going to do one tie. Do not use minted, okay, for obvious reasons. You don't want a minty cake. And we're just going to lower this down a little. See, if it gets off the, it's not centered, just move it down. And then you're just going to pull it. Just pull real tight. Pull. Get a good grip. See what I'm doing? Oh, look at that. Very slow and steady, sort of in slow motion. And you got yourself a split cake. Watch. So you can take a false bottom tart pan, the bottom of one, or you can use something like this and just sort of slide this under, and you have two perfect layers. Huzzah, right? I hope you become a subscriber. Until next time.